In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view spending trends in Splitwise using secure.splitwise.com. We'll walk through a simple way to see trends for your groups or friends so you can better understand who's spending what and how your shared expenses are changing over time. Even though the process is short, I'll go slowly and add some context so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, open your web browser and go to the Splitwise website at secure.splitwise.com. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your usual account details. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see your list of groups and friends on the left-hand side of the screen. These might be groups like apartment, trip, family, or any custom group you've created. You might also see individual friends listed if you track expenses one-on-one. To begin, choose whether you want to look at trends for a specific group or for a particular friend. Click directly on the name of the group or the friend whose expenses you want to analyze. This will open that group or friend's detail view, where you normally see the list of expenses, balances, and recent activity. After you've selected the group or friend, look toward the right-hand side of the screen. There you should see an option labeled Trends, usually near the top area where other summary information is displayed. Go ahead and click on this Trends option. Once you click it, Splitwise will load a Trends or Analytics view for that group or friend. Here, you'll typically see charts and summaries that show how expenses are distributed, how much each person has spent, and how things have changed over time. You might be able to adjust filters such as date ranges or categories, depending on your current setup. Take a moment to hover over any charts or graphs to see more detailed numbers, like exact amounts or specific dates. Using this trends view is especially helpful if you want to check whether expenses are fairly balanced, review past months of spending, or prepare for budgeting and planning future shared costs. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back to the main group view, review individual expenses, and make corrections. When you're done exploring the trends, you can simply click back to the dashboard or select another group or friend from the left-hand side to repeat the same process. And that's all you need to view spending trends on Splitwise through secure.splitwise.com.